Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you 12 volt 40 ampere BMS connection. Here you can see that there is 12 volt 40 ampere BMS. If you want to make 12 volt battery, you can use this 12 volt 40 ampere BMS, and there is connection detail. There is lithium ion battery cells, 18650 battery cells. These cells will connect in series. There is positive side and there is negative side. This cell will connect in this area, positive, negative, then positive and negative. After connecting these cells, there is 0 volt wire, there is 4 volt wire, and there is 8 volt wire, and there is 12 volt. There is 0 volt wire connection, there is 4 volt positive wire connection, there is 8 volt wire connection, and there is 12 volt wire connection. And there is output wire connection, positive and negative. After connecting these wire, there is charging and output wire, positive and negative. So friend, that's all about from this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for notification. Have a great day.